Okay, here's the log that I'm going to be cutting up. It's just about as big as they get here, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm getting down here a little bit further on this beech. I've cut a few more boards. Here's some of them. You can see this has a little bit of rot in it right there, and you know, you could probably fill that in with some epoxy or something. And got a little bit of crack here. Put some sort of you know, stuff on there so it don't crack. Put some I usually put like a, what is it, linseed oil in it. Put some some thinner in it. Put it in there so it kind of dries. I don't know if it'll work on beech, but I've done it on other things. Seems like that works. But anyway, doesn't look too bad. I mean, as far as it's flat, man. It's flat. That's I got some of them new blades. They're cobalt, cobalt. I got them from Lennox there, just so I could save myself some time on, you know. It looked like all you had to do is just about sand this down. It's like flat, man. You wouldn't believe. I mean, I don't know if I can. It's like, that's like, I don't know if I can get down here and show you. I mean, you can kind of. I don't know what it looks like through the video, but pretty. It's flat for, especially. I think it's about like 3 foot wide or something. Let me look here. Get the tape measure out. Well, not quite 3 foot. It's 32 at that end. You can make like a countertop or something with this, something this wide, you know, 2 foot wide there, you know. So anyway, that's just an update on this video. There you go. It's beech with a Cobbler Incorporated bandsaw mill.